Boom. Back again, you see me? DJ Dreadbeard.
It's a stream.
Yo, I'm the new bounty killer for Brooklyn.
Yeah.
Because you know back in the day.
Yes.
Bounty killer in Brooklyn with the trench coat.
Yes.
I don't give a fuck what y'all say on TikTok. I don't give a fuck what y'all say.
We had a time because it was
That
good.
shit was a 10 out of 10.
Surprise you.
That's the biggest surprise in my life.
I know. So you can bring me to Ghana now.
Yes, December. Live in Ghana. Vibes.
Him drop a car with them and say this guy is a known cultist and known devil worshipper. Him got tattoo love God.
Wait, what?
Jaja people. Sir P delusional has to be studied. The man say him make Kartel a move like how him a move. After I walk on eggshell and I say God is the greatest and a tattoo God in him face and him forehead and them thing there. Yo, the man delusion have to be studied. We are gonna talk about that and we are gonna talk about yo Beenie man. Vybz Kartel say it a tape and Beenie man say it a stream. You see me? We are gonna talk about that and me didn't put Buju Banton in the title yesterday. I never talk about it. People wanna see with me, you see me? Well, you know what? I'm gonna talk about it right now before even the intro. Yeah, so when Buju Banton found at the Bartley and tell Vybz Kartel say, yo, what we happen at the past, make it burn, you see me? Whole heap of people are think say, yo, a way back when him and Vybz Kartel they on stage and him take away mic from Vybz Kartel. Enough people remember say, even when Buju Banton found from prison, you know, him and Vybz Kartel go at it again, you know, on IG, you know. Him a call Vybz Kartel murderer and lizard and Vybz Kartel a call him cokehead, you know. Enough people remember this.
Call me anything you want, call me. What means that a wicked, I means that a murderer, I means that a cokehead, I means that a madman. So I show the mark of the beast to my people, I hold it up in a hand sign and make it them insignia.
Yeah man, so big up Buju Banton. When you no see him found at the Bartley, nobody feel say a long time feud in Berry. A recent feud since him found out of prison, him and Vybz Kartel go at it. Enough people remember that. So yo, it's a big deal when I see him found at the Bartley and Berry the hatchet. You see me? Yeah man, so me just get that out of the way because I did talk about it yesterday. Me put it in the thumb, me put it in the intro. I never talk about it. You see me? We are going to talk about Shensia too. I see well people say, yo, them surprise Shensia and Vybz Kartel show and all of them something there. We are going to talk about that. Yo, the intro is long and fret. Yo, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And I beg you know, like up the video.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Looking at a crowd. Looking at comments.
Alright people, me there back and hopefully this time me cover everything me have in the intro. So Beenie man took to social media with his friends and with his new slang. He must say it a stream. You see me? Vybz Kartel say it a tape. Beenie man say it a stream. Beenie man further on said Buju Banton sell out Fame Arena. Vybz Kartel sell out Fame Arena. So now a Fame time now and him want every Jamaican to support each other and kumbaya, you see me? So Beenie man is saying one king, him friend them must say one king, and a Fame time now and every Jamaican must unite.
It's a stream. The blend them. Alright, we don't have an argument. As a Jamaican, we never shy. Alright? Never tell a lie. Let me tell you something. Buju Banton mash up New York, a lie? Never tell a lie. Vybz Kartel mash up New York, a lie? Never tell a lie. Let me tell you something. Yesterday, 24th of May, at my time, you're going to mash up New York, a lie? Never tell a lie. I just want to know, say congratulations to all Jamaican and all the people that turn out and support Jamaican. We just want to know, say, the 24th, I'm me one, I'm a friend them, I'm a gang. Never tell a lie. Never tell a lie. Zaga, zaga.
Beenie man, why for the zaga zo with one bag of man running, you see me? But fun and joke aside, me think say Beenie man want to be a part of history. So him say Buju Banton do it back to back. Him say Vybz Kartel do it back to back. So him know him want to be a part of history to be the big three. You know, Vybz Kartel, Buju, Banton and Beenie Man. But right now, my big three is Vybz Kartel, Buju, Banton and Popcorn. Them man them know sell out arena. You see me? Popcorn do it in a UK. So them man they do it already. So Beenie Man want to be a part of this history where him sell out the arena to, but Beenie Man, I think it little bit too late, you know, because you go up and Wolipa interview Breakfast Club and me no see or hear you mention your show the arena. You go talk one bag of gimmicks and joke thing and you know tell them say yo you have a show. I know you want to mention show. Yo, the people, yo, read the comment what them left under this. People, them not easy, you know. Yo, the person say, yo, it a stream, your heart not clean. Yo, people, Beenie Man ticket them nah sell. Over 2 months now, him ticket na the arena nah sell. You see me? And one of the things them why the people them a beat Beenie Man so much, and when Vybz Kartel never get the Grammy, and him found out and make the video, you see me, and I shade Vybz Kartel. Them things that we do care about, you know. So now me see I try reinvent yourself, and I say yo, never tell a lie, Ray. Make us see what I go on still. When I too beat you. Next topic. Alright, so make a run through some of them small topic here first before we beat the delusional fool Sir P. So what if people up on social media when them see Moliy up on stage and Vybz Kartel sneak up behind her and get her a little wine, people are say yo she look uncomfortable and never want to dance with Vybz Kartel. But later on backstage you see she and Vybz Kartel hug up. Yo, you could also say yo she's shy and nervous she a perform. She just a focus on her performance and her little whining, you see me? So when Vybz Kartel fouled up, she just bust a little wine, one little quick wine and move away, cause she want to focus on her song. You see me? Probably she not want to jump off a beat. But the next clip me I go show you, I go put the argument to rest.
Surprise you.
That's the biggest surprise in my life.
I know. So you can bring me to Ghana now.
Yes, December, live in Ghana. Vibes. I'm out.
Yo, enough people have remember say them people are starstruck round Vybz Kartel too, you know. Also, them confirms the Vybz Kartel are go to Ghana. You see me? There's a longer clip when Vybz Kartel a tease her and I say him sneak up behind her and get her a little wine and she say yo, she did nervous. Anyway, next topic. Alright, so sticking to the Bartley concert. So, Miss hear a whole heap of people say yo, them surprised say Shensi are there at the concert and beer things. Yo, I not understand say I never Shensi a thief the song, you know. And the producer them, you know, Ramesh and whosoever the next one name, no remember what him name, you know. Shensi and I really have nothing to do with no. So, alright, for example, them take the song and give Stark Ashley. So you think the Vybz Kartel would have vexed with Stark Ashley or anybody where them give the song and tell the person to sing, if you just change up the words them, just sing over where Vybz Kartel say and change up the word them. You think the Vybz Kartel I go vex with the female, eh? No, Vybz Kartel only a talk about the producer them. We take away him song and all of the paperworks. Him no busy about Shensi never thief the song. You see me? And after all of that, Vybz Kartel do a second song with Shensi. But I guess enough people don't know about it because the song name It's a Secret. And I guess it's a secret from Dancehall because enough people don't know. So all our Vybz Kartel say about thief song and that him still go do a second song with her. You see me? Just go up on YouTube and look up It's a Secret. The video I get told I can't even bother put in nothing more in it. You see me? Yeah man, so Vybz Kartel and Shensi did always good. Plus, Vybz Kartel did up on TikTok while him there in a prison. Him and Ramesh up money pull up Shensi a song. So them did always good. You see me? Them quash where them quash long time and him and Shensi are good.
Keep it a secret, maybe this tell me where feeling cup. Color well high, car off it in top.
Yeah man, so you see where all me Medzi, all if Vybz Kartel did this or not deal with her, me would have still rate her because she not have nothing to do with it, you see me? She just happen to be the one where them get the song. Anyway, next.
I don't give a fuck what y'all say on TikTok. I don't give a fuck what y'all say.
We had a time because it was
That
good.
shit was a 10 out of 10.
He played the fucking tune.
Yo, Vybz brought out mad that nigga.
Only a veteran would know the truth.
Only a vet.
Yeah,
Only
that's
a
why
world
niggas
boss.
saying it was whack because they don't know that shit.
Only a world boss could bring out who the fuck he brought out.
He didn't bring out who he brought out yesterday, but y'all knew Saturday was gonna be the best fucking show.
Saturday, y'all talk shit about the Saturday show, my nigga. Vybz brought out everybody, bitch. My voice is about to be gone. She said she not let go. She said she not let go.
Yo, people, you know, so we really go on. First of all, you know, them they are not Jamaican, you know, them they are New York, you know, Yankee people, them they, you know. And second of all, that is night 2. Saturday night people are stunned on Friday night people. I say, yo, Saturday night better than Friday night. Jaja, yo, history, the man are create night people in country, you know, bro. And a Jamaican them there, you know, bro. Anyway, we reach the part where we are going to beat Sir P. Fool Sir P. You see me? We know him just do it for the likes still, and him have to always appease him fans them, because here we know. You see Sir P, him have to tell the haters that they want hear to make them sleep at night.
Him drop a car with them, say this guy is a known cultist and known devil worshipper. Him got tattoo love God.
Alright, so I'm not play the whole thing, but I know everybody must hear what the fool I say, you see me? Yo, the man say, when Vybz Kartel hear him talk bag of things about him, he got tattoo love God on him forehead. Yo, make me break down this to you. Because I remember, you know, the last video me make me tell you, say, he might go forward out and say Vybz Kartel run go foreign now. Even though Vybz Kartel they there Mecca, Vybz Kartel there Mobile, Vybz Kartel they everywhere. In the streets and people are balling and say, yo, Vybz Kartel, where your security there? Or you just walk up around the streets, so nobody never run up on Vybz Kartel. First of all, nobody in a Jamaica no suicidal. If you run up on Vybz Kartel, you're not gonna make it out alive. Yeah, even a contradict yourself. Every day you laugh off of the gunman them and say, yo, gunman are coward. Them only have strength when them have the gun and you unarmed. That's the only way gunman have strength. In a Jamaica, you say gunman in a Jamaica are coward. Are those people who unarmed, innocent people them attack. No gunman nah run up on Vybz Kartel and no say him nah make it home go see him granny. Him nah make it home go see him little daughter. Because when him run up, a suicide him a go commit. Because him nah make it back home. No Jamaican nah run up on no Vybz Kartel. You a say, yo, them a go patiently wait until the hype die down. So when the hype die down, Vybz Kartel are just walking on the street without security. You see me? Uno have one little thing in our brain, or uno did think Vybz Kartel a go forward back. Uno have it in our brain, so the man a go forward back and not learn nothing. Let me tell you no, I true me really want to talk everything, you know. The man learn, say, yo, the way how the system want him. You see what the X6 man do? You see if Vybz Kartel did do that, him not escape. A smile, the government a smile, and you see me? The system a smile if him do. If him in the X6 man, why for the position? You see me? That me go say why for the position. But if him not the X man case, the exact case, him son do something and him take the blame for him son, I laugh the government laugh when him take the blame for him son. So Vybz Kartel look on all of that and say, yo, the system out forget him. So what the man do? The man just say, yo, me not going no chance for when me go to Portmore. You hear say 2 man over there to get dirt. Them say, yo, I'm me responsible for it. So me gone back to prison and me have to prove say I know me do it all over again. 1 more 10 years that for me. So Vybz Kartel I look on it and I say, oh, me not going to the chance there again. Where any smart man with money would I do. When them get the chance and get the visa, them a go cut, but the man never cut as him forward. Yeah, say, yo, the man go and look back up place at other small island. Why him never buy a house? Why a land the man buy? I St. Vincent. If I run him a run. Why him never just buy one house and run away? The man a buy land. The man never a plan for go live over there. The man a buy land and investment. You see me? So basically, the man just found out of prison and the man not give them no chance for call him name for nothing, cause him sister the government still out to get him. Them still feel like say yo, them lose against Vybz Kartel. So him as a smart man know say yo, him not going to Portmore, bro. What the man a go to Portmore go do? For when gunshot a fire, you say yo, him do it. Easy. And him have to prove that him do it, brother. So uno want say certain things like say uno smarter than everybody else. Uno want the man for him not learn then. Uno want the man for go to prison for 13 years forward up back and act the same way. One bag of man the back of him and him not have no real security. Bro, a real security guard and plain clothes police manpower with the man there Jamaica here. Nobody now run up on him. Cause Jamaica no suicidal like that. You tell the people them and laugh every day say Jamaican gunman a coward. Which Jamaican gunman a run up on Vybz Kartel in Jamaica? Or Florida. Anywhere in the world. When the man a walk with bare armed security. You see me I go like a Afghanistan. Not because it name Gaza, you know. The people them suicidal, you know, bro. You see me? So that's what I have to talk about. I not want to get no more deep in the conversation, cause yo, you just say them things for your fans them. You see me? For your fans them feel good about it. You know say a long time you not get 100k views. A Vybz Kartel you have to talk about, you know. Yo, me say me don't want to be the one where I tell us say I told you. So me say it in the last video say even though Vybz Kartel never forward out of prison and run go on one small island, Sir P still a go say yo the man run. Yo, and why the man that forward pan national TV and telling us say yo, yeah, why the man that telling us say him not go back to Portmore? Yo, just when the man said that, me know say I lick all for your 10 finger and say yo a content this me get, you know. Vybz Kartel never did have to say that, you know. Say him not go back to Portmore, you know. Nobody would know. I it a use for content and say yo the man run from Jamaica and him can't even go back to Portmore. If the man want to go back to Portmore, he could have go. The man just a say him not go to Portmore because he must stay from trouble. Because you don't want him to go to Portmore and want to know here's the man get dirt. You know say yo from Vybz Kartel left out of prison, the dirt in rate turn up a Portmore. Easy. The system can just say that, you know. Remember say the same system said the man responsible for 100 dirtings in a Jamaica, you know. So a simple thing for the system say yo from Vybz Kartel released from prison, the dirtings rate turn up, it escalate in a Portmore. A simple thing for the system say that, bro. And I that you know want so enough I want to cry and I make up all kind of story. I said the man run with an all kind of story just because the man outsmart, you know. Yo, the man is a mega star. Where him do a Jamaica and him have visa. You see me? Where the man, you know, so the man just do create history. Jamaica can't hold the man. If the man never get him visa, he wouldn't create the history. Anyway, people, me there too long and I promise myself say nah do no video over 12 minutes, you see me? And yo, for all who listen to all of my video them, when you hear when me say if Vybz Kartel never did that, go and make and all of them something there, Sir P would have run the place now when Vybz Kartel go foreign, cause he would have say yo Vybz Kartel run. And even though the man do all of that, the man still found out and say yo Vybz Kartel run. Oh, the man for run on the man they all over Jamaica and people are ball and I say yo where your security there? You see me? So anybody will listen to my video them when you hear when I say that in about 2 videos ago. Delusional Sir P say when Vybz Kartel go up on this stage show and sing God is the greatest and a ball. Him a ball because he want convince the people him same change. Yo, anyway, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I am out.
Looking at a crowd. Looking at comments.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.